Welcome back to Learning Spanish with Words. Today we're looking at English words beginning with L converted to Spanish. Here we go. Lighter, as in losing weight. So you are lighter, más ligera, más ligera. Lovely, hermosa, hermosa, or for males as opposed to females, hermoso, hermoso. Lamp, lampara, lampara. Lend, prestar, prestar. Look, if you're looking at something, mirar, mirar, or looking, mirando, mirando. Leaving, if you're going somewhere and leaving, yendo, yendo. Lent, preste, preste. Don't forget the accents on the end of the E. Preste. Left, so you've left something behind. You didn't bring it. Deje, deje. And left, as in the direction, you're turning left. Izquierda, izquierda. Love, as in you're in love. Enamorados, enamorados. Leaf, hoja, hoja. Like that. Así, así. Loud, ruidosa, ruidosa. Laugh, reemos, reemos. Leisure, ocio, ocio. Loaf, hogaza, hogaza. Lighter, as in cigarette lighter, encendedor, encendedor. Lamp, lampara, lampara. Land, as in get off my land, or I'm going to buy a piece of land. Tierra, tierra. Or land, as in the pilot is going to land the plane. Aterrizar, aterrizar. So a plot of land is tierra, and for somebody to land the plane is aterrizar, aterrizar. Large, grande, grande. Laugh, rear, rear. The law, ley, ley. Leaf, hoja, hoja. Learn, aprender, aprender. Leg, pierna, pierna. Letter, as in writing a letter. Carta, carta. Life, vida, vida. Light, as referring to illumination, is luz, luz. So light, referring to illumination, is luz, luz. Or light, referring to the weight of an object, is ligero, ligero. So light, referring to the weight of something, is ligero, ligero. Line, línea, línea. Lion, leon, leon. list, lister, lister. Little, piginia or poco, piginia or poco. So which one do you use? Well, if you can touch it or see it, you say piginia. So it refers to the size of something. So a diamond ring would be piginia, but a large house would not be piginia. Okay, so if it's small and you can touch it or use it, it's piginia. However, if you're measuring something in the kitchen and you're measuring up rice, you say poco. So a little bit of rice is poco and a little house is piginia. So piginia for touching it or using it or seeing it, and if you can count it, it is poco. Live, vivere, vivere. Long, largo, largo. You'll often see Spanish vehicles and Portuguese vehicles coming through your town or on the M1 or your motorway with vehicular largo, which is long vehicle. Look, mirar, mirar, and finally today, love, amor, or amar. Okay, well that's all for today with learning Spanish with words, and that was the L for today. There will be more coming up soon. If you've liked listening and watching, please subscribe and like, and give us a tick and all the rest of it on YouTube, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching.